sitting around with nothing cool left to do. Looking for a show that's really all about you. There's a place you can go, it's a thing you can be. It's a world full of possibilities, Wonderama. It's here, it's new, it's all for you, Wonderama. Wonderama.
What's up, you guys? How you feeling? Oh, how you doing? Up top. On the side, yeah. Coming this way. Yeah. Hold back. Oh, you guys look great. Thanks for coming. My name is David Osmond, and this is... You know it, guys. You're at the right place at the right time, and this is the right show just for you. It's going to be amazing today. We have Solar Sound Band, also Cool Science with Chase Wiley today. It's going to be awesome. We got some wild and messy games that you just might be a part of, so get ready for that. Callie's here, and also my co-host. Give it up for them, Coco and Breezy! They're the coolest. But our first guests study classical music at the Joyous School of Music. They have gained wide acclaim playing unique and energetic versions of some of today's most popular songs. Here to perform a medley of the huge hits, Shape of You and Firework, put your hands together for the Joyous String Ensemble! The Joyous String Ensemble! Oh my gosh, amazing! All right, guys, it's time to play a game on Wonderama. It's time to play Circle of Time. Yes, it is. And guys, this is a great game. We have our circle of contestants, and I have a rack full of delicious, beautiful pies over here. You put them together, and magic happens. I'm going to hand the pie to you first, all right? When the music starts, pass to your left. Keep going and go as fast as you can because you don't want that pie in your hands. Because if you end up with the pie in your hands, when the music stops, what happens?
You have to pie your face.
You got to pie your face as big and messy as you can. And then you're eliminated. We go down to 4, then 3, then 2. Then the last person in the circle of pies will win today's Wonder Prize. And Coco and Breezy, what is today's Wonder Prize?
A pair of Bowers & Wilkins P3 Series 2 headphones!
Whoa, dude! The prizes are cool. The game is messy. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Time to play Circle of Pies. Cue the music in 3, 2, 1, go! Pass that pie. Pass that pie fast. Get rid of it, get rid of it, get rid of it. You don't want that pie. You don't want it. Get rid of it, get rid of it, get rid of it. Oh! It was right here when the music stopped. Say goodbye in 3, 2, 1. Oh! That was awesome. All right, we got 4 left. Make a circle, make a circle. But for this round, I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to add 2 pies to the circle. There you go. On 3, 2, 1, cue the music. Pass that pie. Get rid of it, get rid of it. You don't want it. Oh no, who's going to get it? Who's going to get it? Oh, oh! The blues, they're singing the blues. This one's a little dirty. I'll get rid of that one. We'll get you a fresh, clean, big pie. Come right over here, the 2 blue shirts together. 2 for 1 in 3, 2, 1. That was excellent. All right, now we have 2 left. But what I'm going to do for this round, when the music starts, pass that pie. But you can't pass it right back. You have to turn around once and then pass it back. Turn around, pass it as fast as you can till the music stops. We'll see who's left standing. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! Pass that pie. Nice, nice. Make it fast. You don't want that pie. He's gonna. Oh, look at that! Oh, man, it was here. Oh, my brother. Here we go. Count it down with me. In 3, 2, 1. Nicely done. And we have a winner for the Circle of Pies right here. You win today's. Oh, you're asking for a pie? You want to join the Circle of Pies officially? Should he do it? Yeah! Okay, hang on one second. You get that Wonder Prize, and you're going to earn it right here. In 3, 2, 1, go! Give all these guys a round of applause. They're all going to get a prize to take home. But right now, we're going to check in with my pal, Callie. Callie, what's going on?
Hey everybody, it's Callie, and today we're talking about reading. Did you know the average person can read over 300 words per minute? Some people can read much faster thanks to a technique called speed reading. One U.S. president in particular was an avid speed reader. Which president was it? Was it A, George Washington, B, Calvin Coolidge, or C, John F. Kennedy?
B. Calvin Coolidge.
C. John F. Kennedy. C. John F. Kennedy.
Think you know the answer? Find out when we come back. So which U.S. president was an avid speed reader? The answer is C, John F. Kennedy, who could read over 1,200 words per minute. Callie here reminding you to take some time to read a good book.
All right, my next guest started off as an aspiring scientist, and today he has a massive following on his website and his YouTube show, Science C. Give it up for Chase Wiley! Thanks for coming back, man.
Of course.
You always bring things that are just so super cool.
Oh, yeah.
This looks like it's simple, but what you got in store for
It can be pretty
us?
dangerous. So we're going to do elephant toothpaste. So inside of this flask, we have hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is H2O2, meaning it's water with an extra oxygen, which makes it really dangerous and corrosive. So we're going to have to put on goggles and also some gloves. So we got these big gloves.
Safety first, man.
Exactly. And these gloves will help protect our hands from any of that corrosive stuff.
Oh, yeah, these gloves are legit.
Yeah. So in that flask right there, it's hydrogen peroxide, that really concentrated stuff, some soap to make bubbles, and then we also have some food coloring. And then here we have a catalyst. Now a catalyst in chemistry is anything that speeds up a reaction. So that catalyst
kicks it off. It's like lighting the fuse.
Exactly, and that's what's going to cause all of that oxygen gas to bubble up and then, create that cool reaction. So are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Yeah! Let's check
All
this
right,
out.
3, 2, 1, and then let's step back a little bit.
Okay.
All right, so we see the reaction starting to
it's going.
foam up.
Whoa! And it doesn't stop. It just keeps going. It's crazy.
Keeps on going.
Whoa!
Look at how big it gets.
Check it out!
And it's very exothermic, so see all that
Look at the steam.
That's all heat that's coming off of the reaction.
Now, the gases, are they dangerous? Can you breathe it in?
No,
or
it's
stay
really
away
just
from it?
oxygen and then steam produced.
That is so wild.
I know, it's so cool, but what if we did it 100 times bigger?
You can do that?
Yes.
100 times?
100 times bigger.
Do you guys want to see it 100 times bigger?
All right, follow me
man.
over here.
Oh, you lead the way. Oh my.
All right, so in this can right here, we have 4 gallons, or basically 15 liters of hydrogen peroxide. That was 150 milliliters. So this is 100 times more.
You're kind of a mad scientist, you know that,
Sometimes.
Oh, I love this show. This
So,
is so cool.
instead of having that tiny little beaker full of catalyst, we have all of this catalyst. See it? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in this bucket, and then we're gonna use that rope so we can safely start off the reaction. All right?
Boy.
So we'll pour all the catalyst in here, and now we're gonna step back there where it is safe. So I'll let you go in front of me.
Wait, oh, you're going to use me as a barrier?
No, I'm just being nice, just letting you go in front of me.
It's all good, man.
Are you guys ready? Should we get a countdown?
Are you ready for this? Oh, this is going to be insane. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, step back.
Whoa! Whoa! No, wait! Look out!
It's still going.
Oh, whoa, look at it go!
Look at that. Isn't that crazy?
That is awesome!
Don't you love science?
Science is so cool! Give Chase Wiley a round of applause! That was so cool!
Yeah, look at that.
All right, guys, it's game time on Wonderama. It's time to play! Yes, it is. This is a great game, and we got 2 contestants down here to play. First of all, in the orange shirt, Kian. Give it up for Kian. Yeah? In the blue shirt, we have Carmela. Now, how Banana Bath works. Under the bubbles, in each of these tubs, there's a bunch of fruits and vegetables of different kinds. But all that matters are the bananas. It's going to be your job when the clock starts. You're going to have 45 seconds to jump into the tub, find as many bananas as you can, pull them out, put them in your basket outside, and after 45 seconds, whoever has the most bananas in their basket will win today's Wonder Prize. Do you want to see what it is? Yeah! It's the Evolution Flyer Scooter! So cool. You ready for this, Kian? Carmela? Are you guys ready? Yeah! The bananas are in, and start the clock. Ready, set, go! Oh, he just plopped in there. He's ready. Cheer him on a little bit. This is not as easy as it looks. Oh, she's finding him. Oh, he's still looking. He's still looking around. No, it's not the corn. It's not the carrots. Keep looking. You've only got 25 seconds left. Keep looking. We've lost Kian. Oh, he found some. Good job, brother. Yeah, keep it going for him. Keep it going for him. Oh, my gosh. You're doing pretty good, Kian. Nice job, Carmela. Keep going. Keep searching. Here we go. We're going to count down. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's it. Game over. Stand on up. Let's see how many you got. I'm going to come around the front. Kian, I thought we lost you there for a second. Carmela, she has in her basket 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Nicely done. Kian, how many did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Oh! Sorry to burst the bubble, but Kian is the winner! Give it up for him! Nice job, brother. Now up top. Yeah! Carmela, nicely done. We have something for you as well. Give them a round of applause. Right now, we're going to check in with Coco and Breezy in the 360 Lounge. What's going on up there, guys?
Hey everybody, today we're talking about presidents of the United States.
Many presidents had hobbies and interests, but one in particular loved the piano.
In fact, he loved the piano so much, he would wake up every morning at 5 a.m. so he could practice for 2 hours.
Do you know what president we're talking about?
Find out the answer when we come back. We're back.
Before the break, we asked if you knew which president loved the piano so much he practiced playing for 2 hours every day.
That president was none other than Harry S. Truman. That is true dedication, Breezy.
And that's a huge inspiration.
You should start practicing your piano for 2 hours a day.
I'm gonna get on it, you guys.
My next guests are a 4-piece pop rock band from right here in New York City, here to perform their original song, Steven Said, from their new album, Triple Green. Please give it up for Solar Sound Band!
Just another Monday morning. Is heartbroken and she is well past time. Thinking about our futures, dreaming. We forgot to look up at the warning signs. Steven said the sky is falling. We just go about our day. 100 years from now we'll be gone or dead, but a baby is sweet today, and it'll stay this way till the day we've got a fleet of outer space. But who says we even need the human race? We messed up this planet so bad anyway. Oh. And I know we were trying to make it far, but so far we've just gone right into the dark. And Steven says we gotta make a brand new start. Yes, I know. Yes, you know. Yes, we know, we know, we know, we know, we know. Steven said the sky is falling, but we just go about our days. 100 years from now, we'll be gone or dead. So let's do something to change.
Sound band, everybody! Oh, that was awesome. Burning it up, guys. Triple Green's the album. Check it out. And then come on back after the break. We got more Wonderama coming up next. Did you guys have a good time today? I had a blast. There's a place you can go, it's a thing you can be, it's a world full of possibilities, Wonderama. Sing with me now, here we go. Wonder, 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 Wonderama. Oh, I want to thank all of my guests today. Give them a big round of applause. This is incredible. I loved it. I want to thank Callie and, of course, my co-hosts Coco and Breezy. Give it up for them. I'm David Osmond reminding you to never lose your sense of wonder. Join us next time. Take care. Bye. See ya. Yeah. There you go. Hey, you know what? When I say wonder, you say Rama. Wonder. When I say wonder, you say Rama. Wonder. See you guys. Bye. Hey. Oh. Go Coco. Go Breezy. It's your birthday. Yeah. For more Wonderama, check out WonderamaTV.com.